Like kam hado sanpon ru tiliki post haka Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited. Ki kertengjung niki post ki day personal assistant, DEO, staff nurse, panchkarma attendant, technician baki wegi weda. Barakhoi ki nong India ki laban apply yakani ki post. Last day lani ka tarik bak hado ban apply ki niki post ka day arpkhanai tarik ubnai March arhajar arphuwai. Ka website jangane ka office ka day www.becil.com. Yaka kam personal assistant like kawai ka post, yaka data entry operator like atli ka post, saya ka weda ka data entry operator like kawai ka post, yaka kam operation theater nurse like taligi post, yaka kam staff nurse like harwai taligi post, ya museum keeper like kawai ka post, yaka midwife like Southly ki post. Yaka kam panchkarma technician like Nyotli ki post, panchkarma attendant Kharartali ki post, yaka lift operator Southly ki post, yaka laundry supervisor Kawai ka post, yaka CSSD attendant Kawai ka post, yaka ward attendant Artali ki post, yaka kam workers Artali ki post, yaka kam gas manifold technician Southly ki post. Kini gide ki educational qualifications bapidan kam nakabentagi ni ki post. Yaka personal assistant pide bandai graduate bapiha banang bantai sispa tali lane sispa arpau tali ikentin hapo ka shi minute. Bapidan kamru sansnam experience hakane. Yu data entry operator pidan kam ke degree lane ke diploma sisnam haka computer application bat ka experience ru hakane. Saya kane gawe pat ke data entry operator pidan kam degree haka BCom bat sisnam diploma haka computer application bat ka experience haka tally accounting software. Yaka operation theater nurse pidan kam degree haka BSc nursing bat arsnam experience ha hospital lane nursing home. Yaka staff nurse pidan kam BSc degree haka nursing but arsnam experience haka hospital lane nursing home. Yaka museum keeper pidan kam ka degree naka college but license experience haka aka ka government organization. Yaka kam midwife pidan kam yaka degree haka BSc nursing but arsnam experience haka hospital lane nursing home. Lane pilar ubondan ke MSc but sisnam experience haka hospital lane nursing home. Lane pilar ubondan ke diploma haka nursing but sausnam experience haka hospital lane nursing home. Yaka panchkarma technician pidan kamon pas yaka class 10 pidan kamro ya sisnam diploma haka panchkarma but sisnam experience haka hospital lane ka certificate haka panchkarma but arsnam experience haka hospital. Yaka panchkarma attendant pidan kamon pas yaka class 10 pidan kamro yaka certificate yaka panchkarma attendant ka bahan ribanai but sisnam experience kum upanchkarma attendant haka hospital. Yaka lift operator pidan kam tang yaka ITI diploma kabayahab yaka nika kam. Haka laundry supervisor pidan kam ban pas yaka class 10 but arsnam experience haka professional laundry. Yaka kam CSSD attendant pidan kam ban pas yaka class 10 pidan kamru ka diploma naka ITI. Yaka ward attendant pidan kam ban pas yaka class 8 but sisnam experience haka hospital lane nursing home kum ward attendant. Yaka kam workers pidan kam pas class 12 IT lane deep pharma but arsnam experience haka ni ka kam. Yo gas manifold technician pidan kam pas yaka class 12 pidan kamru yaka trade certificate lane ka ITI haka mechanical engineer but arsnam experience. Dapi ko ban apply kini ki kam piha ban apply shwa lane haka apkhanai tarik March arhajar arphuwai. Dapila ada ban submit yaki online application piha ban print yaka application but bo kawai ka copy yala de yodon kam la shai sisngi puleru yaka PDF ba ai hapo description ban sungol tho jingai kumno ban apply yakini ki kam.